Hello everyone, I wanted to discuss today a technology tool called ISpring. Okay, it is a e-learning authoring tool that uses PowerPoint, and it makes PowerPoint more dynamic and allows you to do many more things with PowerPoint, and you can incorporate that in your e-learning lessons. So to begin with, here's some key points that it does. You can do video lectures. So you're doing a PowerPoint and all of a sudden you have a video. You could do screen recordings, very much like what I'm doing now with Screen-O-Matic, or Jing is another example. Interactive assessments. This allows you to create a quiz inside PowerPoint. E-learning interactions, a little bit of animation that you could put in there. Character library, so you can add people pointing at things, or different teachers showing something in your presentation. It also supports LMS and SCORM, so it's integratable with an LMS platform that you're already using, so that's very handy. Okay. So it says here you can convert PowerPoint into e-learning courses, and this is a wonderful example talking about the space shuttle. So here you've got the picture, which looks like a normal PowerPoint presentation, but at the bottom you have a play button that allows you to play a video. So now immediately you have something a little more dynamic. Instead of just PowerPoint, you have the video that you can show as well. As you're looking at the ISpring site, they have a lot of these little examples, little videos that show you what you can do with ISpring. Okay. Again, here we got an example of creating a video lecture. So again, instead of just the reading of PowerPoint, or perhaps for long distance learning, you've got a video here, and you can use this to create a lecture as well. So that's very helpful for e-learning. It also says here you can create a podcast, so you can use this for podcast training. Alrighty, you can build interactive assessments, and here's an example of the quiz. So in the middle of a presentation, you could check knowledge, have a checkpoint and see how they're doing, if they understand the information. Okay, you can put that in there. And also, again, there's a play button, so you can add video to a quiz if you wanted to. Again, small examples down here. Okay, you can record a screencast, very much like what I'm doing right now, and add that to your presentation, to your e-learning lesson. And also you can edit it. Okay, here's an example of using it to develop conversation skills. This would be wonderful for teaching a foreign language. So you can see here she's trying to buy a car for her husband, and some different answers down here. But also, again, a couple examples you can find on their main website. You can create e-learning interactions. This example here, the book page turns. So it's kind of like an animation that you can use. You can use characters. Now here's an example of a woman who is showing a graph, and you can use her to help further explain some visual information that you are trying to deliver to the students. So that's kind of handy to have. Okay. And what's wonderful too is the extensive LMS compatibility. It says here you can use it for Blackboard, Moodle, Digital Chalk, and others. There's a very long list that you can use with. And again, here it says it supports SCORM 1.2, SCORM 2004, Tin Can. So it's usable across many platforms, across different LMS systems, and doesn't matter what you're using, you can use this. Okay, so there's more information on that. Okay. And another thing that's wonderful is it's adaptable. It can work on a laptop, it can work on a tablet, it can also work on your phone, on your smartphone. So if you're creating long distance lessons, that would be very handy to have and know that this will fit and will work with these different tools that you have here. And so that's another thing that's important to people teaching over a distance. Or accessible anytime, which would be great too. Okay. Here's a little bit of information on other ISpring e-learning tools. I've got Quizmaker here. Here's the one video presenter converting PowerPoint to Flash, HTML, and MP4s. ISpring Cam, Talkmaster, so build your own dialogue simulations, and visuals. Okay, so lots of things are in there. Okay, so here's some examples. They have a lot of demos on their front page that shows you what this suite can actually do, and it's very interesting. Okay, here's some more tutorials. So let's say you get ISpring, you're having trouble using it, and lots of tutorials. Shows you how to use the product, tips and tricks, so that's very handy. Okay, long list. And finally, here's the price. One license, $697, 3 licenses, $1,986, and 5 licenses, $3,137, and it goes up from there. Not too bad, especially if you have a small school. They do offer a money-back guarantee and free support, so it's not too bad. So, alrighty, that's my presentation on the ISpring suite, and it's wonderful for making your e-learning lessons a little more dynamic. Okay, thanks very much. Bye-bye.